Welcome to our IBM I tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the %elem built-in function, a powerful tool for working with arrays, tables, and multiple occurrence data structures in IBM I. %elem allows us to easily retrieve the total number of elements within a data structure. This is crucial for managing arrays and ensuring accurate data processing. Let's break down the syntax. You can use %elem with arrays, tables, or multiple occurrence data structures. Here's how it works. For arrays, you specify the array name inside %elem. Similarly, for tables or multiple occurrence data structures, you use their respective names. Now, let's look at an example. Here we have an array named myArray with a dimension of 5. We assign values to myArray elements, and then we use %elem to retrieve the total number of elements. In this case, %elem myArray return the value 5, as there are 5 elements in myArray. Finally, we display the result using the dsply operation, showing that the total number of elements in myArray is 5. And there you have it. The %elem function simplifies the process of counting elements in IBM I, ensuring your code is efficient and accurate. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on the %elem built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials on our channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you next time.